Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Grandma in a Box. This is a monthly candy subscription for children. Basically, the premise is that this grandmother wanted to spend more time with her grandkids, but they live so far away that was just not a possibility. So she would make these really cool boxes, send it to them, and they'd get to do treats that Grandma sent each month, keeping her name in their ears. It's $20 a box. You can 50% off your first box. There's a coupon code. I'll put that below. I'll also link to my full review. We always do this whole box, me and the kids just love it. Each box does have a use by date. My address is on there. Oh no, I covered it up. A use by date, so this is 2/14. I'm guessing this is a Valentine's theme box. They're always seasonally themed. Everything is adorable. And so we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you what's in here. So here you go. Grandma in a box, and then there's little instructions for each of the crafts. You get 3 in total. So I think it's like 15 to 20 finished cookies and candies. You always have cookies to decorate, and they're not like you're just decorating, so it allows your kids to really use their imagination, which I think is cool. So this is the February Valentine treats. The back includes everything on here, and if it's an allergen and whatnot, all the ingredients are listed. So there's no like, is this okay? So our first project is a Valentine candy cane heart, which you can see is super cute. Then we've got a second crispy Valentine bite. So there, I don't know if you can see those. And if you do want to see us do them, I'll link to the review below. And then there is the Valentine cookies. So there's typically, I think, 8 cookies in each package. We'll see when we get down there. All right, so let's get in here. My hair. All right, so right on top you see a bunch of little mini candy canes and little lollipop sticks. So this is going to be used in our heart. Candy cane heart, I should say. Then we've got pink and white melting chocolate. This will probably be used in more than one of the projects. We've got a pouch of Rice Krispies. Those look delectable. Okay, then we've got conversation hearts. Somebody said they weren't making these anymore, but I see them all over and I call their bluff. So those are always fun. Then we've got our each box comes with 3 different colored frostings for this month. It is pink, white, and red. Super cute, right? Then we have our cookies. There are 2 hearts, 2 other kinds of hearts. See, these are kind of like scalloped. And usually it's shortbread. We have done gingerbread though. And then you have these ones that you can kind of just go have fun with. There's 4 of those, so there is 8 cookies in total. All right. Then we've got our little decorating assets. We've got some red sparkly glitter sugar crystals. We've got some white Perels, non-Perels, are they, I don't know. Some red and white jimmies or sprinkles, whatever you call them. And finally, for sprinkles, there's these little tiny sprinkle hearts. I don't even know if you can tell that they're hearts, but they're super cute. I love it. All right. Then we have a bunch of little mini cupcake liners in like a fun Valentine's Day theme. So that is everything that I received in the Grandma in a Box. There's these cupcake liners, 4 kinds of sprinkles, the candy canes and the lollipop sticks, our 3 frostings, 8 cookies, which, by the way, they taste so good. I don't eat them. I let the kids eat them, but they're good cookies. Melting chocolate, Rice Krispies, and conversation hearts, along with all of our instructions. She does a really great job each month of really coming up with something fun that the kids are going to love. My kids love it, all of them. And I have kids ranging from 3 to 11, and they all look forward to this box, mostly because it's full of sugar. I mean, let's be honest. But that's everything that I received. If you're interested in that full review, I'll link to that below, and I'll also link to Grandma so you can check her out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.